And good afternoon, all. Welcome to today's session. My name is still Azubi Kuchenachiwikem, and I am going to take you on a ride this particular day because we have a wonderful topic to treat. And if you haven't listened to my the last time I taught about Ise and Amen, the reason why they are not the same. Of course they are not the same, and if you are not part of that particular lecture, please slide into my page and look for the video. Now today, what we have today is very important topic. In fact, it's one of the most important topic out there that people used to misinterpret about our culture. Most of the times people used to demonize our culture, our language, because they don't actually understand the meaning of what our culture is trying to represent. So we have a lot of misinterpretation using English language and about Igbo people. So that's the essence of all these videos and all the stuff that I'm saying out here online. So let's start. Remember, we are mixing it Igbo and English all together. Okay, Kaibido. ịma na ya bụ Igbo na ọ na-atọ m bullshit ma agwasịa ndị slow Igbo. So ka anyị bido ya bụ ibe maka na ibe ekwu ka a na-eme. Now the topic of today bụ gịnị? Di and the word husband. Ife a na-abụ anọkọta asị ka eje nụọ di, ka eje nụọ nwaanyị, ụmụ ife gbasalụ di and ife anyị bụ ịkọwa n'ụbọchị tata bụ gịnị? Di is not the same as husband. Yes, I know it's going to be a shock for most of us here, but that is Igbo language for you. If you don't know it, you don't know it. And we have to go back to our roots. We have to start learning our language. Learning our language is not evil. And if we don't realize this, it's going to be a problem for the next upcoming generations. So, and that's the reason why we are resolving these issues now. Now, D is not as the same thing as husband. Husband is an English language, and that's the reason why I said this naming is very important. That's another topic of next time, but we are not for naming now. But we are here to explain D and husband. D and husband is not the same thing. It's total thing altogether. They are not the same thing. D means in Igbo as master. I will explain myself. Ịma na enwe okwu dịgasị anya n'Igbo ka nkọwali gị ife di pụtara n'Igbo using different expression or words in Igbo. Nke mbụ, anyị nwere ebe a na-akpọ dinta. Dinta, di mean master, nta mean hunting. Putting together bụrụ gịnị? Master of hunting. Anyị nwere di ochi. Di mean master and ochi mean palm wine tapper. That means master of palm wine tapper. Anyị nwere di mgba, master of wrestling. Mgba bụ wrestling. Di is master. Iwota even na-ekwu. So di abụrụ husband. I'm sorry to say that, but that is true. It's a truthful fact about our culture. Di abụrụ husband. Di means master. So ọ bụ na ị na-akpọ di gị di mama. It means that you are calling your husband my good master, right? Oh, ife di pụtalụ n'onu Igbo. So na di abụrụ husband. You can never attribute di as what? Husband. Because this is Igbo language and they are twisting our language. For those who doesn't know about this, spread this gospel of truth about Igbos. This is our language. Don't twist our language. I have so many important things, statements to talk about. Just slide in my Facebook page, follow me up, share my videos, and I promise to keep you guys updated. See, this is what I do. Like, I am all about teaching. I love teaching, I love education, I love history, I love things that's us to do with knowledge. You get? So that's the reason I'm here for you guys. This is literally what I do. So just keep on keep on following me, and I will not disappoint. Thank you for keeping it real with me today. Remember, D is not the same thing as husband. D means master. Onya ka eji wee nwee dinta, diochi, dimgba. So n'ebe ọbụla efu di, dibia. Dibia means di master abia. That A desire wepụ that A, di abia, meaning forthcoming. So dibia means master of forthcoming. That the person that have mastered what is to happen, like the knowledge that is unnatural. That is who a dibia is. So una maligi ife di pụta. Welokwa no husband on chọọ no Igbo wee so ngejikwa wee qualify ya, because di una emebikwala ya ọsọ ndị Igbo. D is not as the same thing as what husband. Ekenekwa m ọnụ. Ọnwa bụ Azụbụike Uchenna Chibuike m. Abụ m ezigbote onye Igbo. A na-akpọ m ewetego ọkụ. Maka na ebe ọ bụla m bịara, ife na-adị. Ka emesịa.